Okay, teams, it's the time for you to start your debate. Please introduce yourselves.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sachin. Today we are three members in a group, and one is Balpreet and other is Shahid. My roll number is 109292.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Balpreet Singh and my ID number is 110120 and my topic is intercultural communication in positive sideways.
Hi, this is Syed Bilhan. My ID 110438, and today our debate topic is intercultural communication in a management context.
Hi everyone, my name is Amandeep Kaur and my student ID is 110788 and my topic is intercultural communication is an unimportant aspect of management.
Hi everyone, my name is Sudha Ratzal and my student ID is 109116 and today my topic is intercultural communication is an unimportant aspect of the management. Start.
Yeah. Good evening. Hi everyone. My name is Sachin, and today we are three members in a group. One is Balpreet and other is Shahid. Today we are going to debate intercultural communication in a management context, and there will also be a debate about it in some positive way. In an era of globalization, business operate in diverse environments where employees and stakeholders come from various cultural backgrounds. Intercultural communication is a crucial aspect of effective management, enabling organizations to foster collaboration, enhance workplace harmony, and drive business success. A workplace that values cultural diversity thrives on open communication, reducing misunderstanding and improving teamwork. Managers who embrace intercultural communication create inclusive environments where employees feel respected and motivated. Companies like Google and Toyota have demonstrated how strong intercultural communication strategies can lead to innovation, efficiency, and global success. Some examples better collaboration occurs when managers study cultural differences because they create respectful working. At Google, employees receive encouragement to contribute their drives viewpoints through teamwork for producing creative and inclusive solutions. The organization appreciates that staff members from different culture or the origin contribute distinctive way of handling these difficulties that generate groundbreaking solutions. Product design and operational decisions at Toyota have been enhanced by cross-culture teams who merge global viewpoints into their decision-making process. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone.
Sorry, yeah, you can start again.
So, hi everybody, my name is Sudha Ratzal. So today we are here to argue on intercultural communication is an unimportant aspect of management. Intercultural communication is the process of communicating ideas, sharing the information between two different people from two different cultures. So it includes different language, behaviors, and beliefs and communication style. Organizations use universal management system, including lean management and Six Sigma, to optimize business operation beyond cultural differences. The ability to lead effective together with decision-making ability proves more vital from effective management than recognizing cultural differences. So even the great leaders such as Elon Musk and Tim Cook effectively manage multinational company without enhancing international communication. It prioritizes innovation, leadership, and operation excellence and strategic thinking ability. And the internal cooperation culture built by Apple, Tesla, and Amazon joins welfare members through share various values which makes actional culture diversity less important. The worldwide position of English as a main capital language estimate eliminated most needs of intercultural communications. Modern technology advances make the understanding of culture less important for effective management. And some of the common problem we can face in intercultural communication is that different people have different perspective and attitude towards the other people, language and culture. One of the difficult things that in intercultural communication we can face that people from different culture do not share the same set of rules and communication the way people from the same culture do. So, and one of the main problem we can take is the time zones and work style difference, and the other is stereotyping and bias. Manager may unconsciously read on the stereotyper, leading to the discrimination or unfair treatment of employment from different culture background. And at the same time, technology has replaced the need from deep intercultural understanding. Too much focus on culture differences can cause misunderstanding and division. And business success relies more on effective communications rather than focusing on intercultural communications or different communication style. So today, business success comes from being adapted, making smart strategic decisions, and having strong leadership and governance rather than just focusing on culturals. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So now I am discussing to intercultural communication to positive side way. So the intercultural communication is a very important to a vital role to an environment global business. So I have mentioned to 6 points. So my first point is a global business expansion. Like example, the marketing plans to buyers through service systems and the product of offers to local culture to managers in their international corporation like McDonald's, which has acts in 100 countries to need to process gets the great intercultural communication skills. So McDonald's successfully developed to tribes to diverse areas to by the understandings understanding cultures. Example like the halal meals like food like Muslim and veggie food like Indians option. So my second point is enhanced team collaboration. Example, a multinational company like Google sites regular to the involve to persons from various cultures backgrounds. A manager who is capable to the intercultural communication can be encourage teams work to member to share their ideas to different viewpoints. So my third point is innovation and creativity. So like example, the Pixar animation studios to the culture range plays a crucial role in diverse inspiration. Directors encourage cross culture can be discussed to help their brings to new ideas to validities the tables. For example, a director might be invite a team member from Japan to share a old style and the Japanese storyline methods which could be influenced to unique narrative for an animated films. My fourth point is resolving preventing and misunderstandings. Like example, a global company like Google, IBM, international business machines from different cultures may be activated to others' communication styles. Director who understand culture, like example, how direct communication in US might change from more indirect statement in Japan can avoid the conflict before they arise. So my fifth point is improved customer relations. Like example, Coca-Cola operators to the more than 200 countries, and understanding intercultural communication is an important for building styles. From intense the Coca-Cola selling in Japan emphasizes to respect and family values. They resonate with the values. So my sixth point is attracting to the relating talent. Example, a Google conflict film firm plays a strong stress to diversity and the education. Managers who are able to intercultural communication is better cyclists, creating and complete environment where all workers, regardless from their background, feel value. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I have a first argument. Productivity results from skills and performance level instead of culture variations. For example, the globally successful Amazon company devotes most focus to performance-based leadership throughout its different market segments rather than investing efforts in culture adaptation. The corporate excellence of Amazon results from innovation together with the efficiency and customer service instead of accommodating a management philosophy that matches multiple business cultures. Organizational success stems from skill rather than culture awareness, since this is what Irani points out. And my second argument is a conflict between individuals arises when managers focus excessively on culture differences, leading to misunderstanding and divisions. When manager focuses excessively on culture variation, it creates division instead of unity between peoples. For example, CEO Elon Musk placed innovation and efficiency above all else at a Tesla. When he took over the company, efficiency and not about the culture norms, work ethic together with the visionary leadership qualities along with the outstanding technology enable success. The combination of cutting edge technology and a lack of culture programs turned Tesla into a successful business. Companies produce stronger result-driven teams through their concentrations on excellence rather than on culture nonsense. And my third argument is in organization gain maximum success through strategic planning rather than through intercultural communication efforts. The worldwide McDonald's organization operates through a single standardized business model spanning across 100 different countries. Internal management policy of a McDonald's function at a fundamental level across all their locations through small regional modifications made to suit specific culture preference. A business model stands as the dominant organizational structure which surpasses culture understanding in global operations, making leadership to stronger international force. Thank you.
This is Sir Binham. Actually, this debate, my team already demonstrated why international communication is not just beneficial for an organization or businesses, but it is also essential to the management context. My opposition team may argue that businesses can be function effectively without emphasizing intercultural skill. But today, one business is different. If we look into McDonald's, they are increasing their business, such as they are adopting local culture. When they are going to different countries to open their business, they are giving priority to, they are giving value to local culture. So intercultural communication is also helping to improve business in an organization. Secondly, if we look into enhanced team collaboration, intercultural communication is helping to increase team collaboration, such as multinational company Google. In Google, manager is helping to fellowship staff, and manager is also using dialogue that is respectful dialogue, and employees are really becoming happy, and they are feeling safe, and they are feeling also satisfied when manager is operating team. And intercultural communication is also helping to increase customer relation. If we look into Coca-Cola marketing strategies is different because they are giving more value to customer demand in a country, or when they are doing business different culture. They are producing quality of product according to customer demand. And finally, I would like to say that attracting and retaining talent in diverse workplace require manager who can create inclusive environment. So intercultural communication is not an optional skill. It is a fundamental requirement for any manager operating in today's interconnected world. So we should not ignore intercultural communication skill in management. This is it. Thank you.
So, hi everyone. So as we demonstrate that intercultural communication is an all-important asset, but our opponent friend like Said told that intercultural communication is the important for the management. He talks about the team collaboration, inclusion, customer relation. I think they are preparing more in culture relation, intercultural communication rather than talking about the cultures, because the debate is all about the intercultural communications, not about the only the cultures. So for the successful business focus For the successful business, focus on clear operation strategy rather than adapting the culture differences. Largest companies like Amazon, Apple, Google success by using universal business models with English as a main global business language. So language barriers are less issue, making intercultural communications less relevant. Technology such as AI translator tools and automatic HR system further reduce the needs of deep cultural awareness. And my friend Baltic talks about the boosting creating and innovations. Rather than boosting creating and innovation, rather than using like various cultures idea, like the managers should focus on leadership skills and performance. And he also talks about resolving conflict and preventing misunderstanding. Like you're using like rather than going on cultural differences skills, I think they should focus on more performance skills and leadership styles and better customer relationship. So intercultural communication doesn't focus on better customer relationships. Better customer relationships can build by trust, loyalty, good service, and performance rather than determining the cultures of different peoples. And improving the organization performance is based on the people individual skill, performance, and the leaderships and effectiveness, the way they perform, not on the basis of their culture. So like today modern, like even the leadership skills and performance, today modern the like business follow standardized management particles that are more important than cultural influence. We can maintain intercultural communication is not essential for management because companies success through strategy, structure, and leadership rather than cultural sensitivity. So in our view is that intercultural communication is not important as a part of management. Thank you.
Okay, just the last thing for the group one, just I prefer to give you, if you will have any counter arguments to go ahead based on what Urmila has said, just you all have any arguments to make, this is the time, I'll give you 2 minutes to go with these arguments.
You got all arguments.
He told that cultural, I focus on cultural value, but actually when a business is operating to different countries, of course business should be know about local culture. So that's why I point out why culture is important in modern management context. And intercultural communication is helping to organization to find out how they can increase their business. And when a new business is operating to different countries and operating new branches, so business should be practice intercultural communication, and it will help them to properly run their business.
It will help their many peoples with technology.
This time is for the counter arguments. If there's any point that the opponent team has said, this is the time for you to.
My friend Amandip, that for intercultural communication, it is also creating conflict in the management. But we can see different scenario. If we look into Google, in Google, manager is helping to fellowship workers to reduce conflict, and manager also helping. Intercultural communication is helping to satisfy worker and reducing disorder in management. So
Okay.
we should be practice intercultural communication skill into the management.
Okay, thank you guys. And the last 2 minutes for the team for you to counter, give further, if there's any what they have said, if you want to rebuttal, just that is, this is the time for you to go ahead.
Yeah, so that's also the example, like give example on Google. So even the largest company, Google, are also like using universal business model with English as a main global business language. So language barrier will be the problem if they are using the intercultural communications.
To sum up with you, actually, you said that Google is using English language.
Yeah, because it's the
It is an international language,
yeah.
of course, international language, but when you are operating your business to different countries, you have to use international language, and also you have to know about local culture. Without local culture, you cannot operate properly. You cannot properly run
We
your
are not
business.
talking about local culture. We are talking about intercultural communication.
Yeah,
It's
intercultural
about all the
communication.
communication, not the cultures.
Yeah, so
Yes,
you
yes,
so you
without
told
inter-
one example.
In
In local culture.
intercultural communication, also it is belong to culture. Of course, we have to know about culture when we are going to business. Intercultural communication is helping to you to operate your business properly, and also you have to know about cultural awareness of a country, of a society.
So how can it?
Okay,
We have to
teams,
understand-
you
we
have
have to
another
understand nature of
8
business.
seconds to go.
We
Just you have to
understand about
finish.
nature of business, and many companies already they finish when they are operating their business without knowing local
So
culture.
when we use intercultural communication, it will be a problem in the cultures barriers, language barriers. It will be difficult to operate all the things.
Actually,
the,
we are living now
the
into our-
management will be focused on more on leadership, performance, and skill of individual, not on cultural communications. That's our point.
Okay, thank you, teams. Just thanks for your attempt. This debate is finishing by then. Still